Second producer po ng GNN at saka yung sa barangay tayo program, sa pong public service program po na pinagkikiliwan po ng milyong-milyong mga tao. And I'm happy to report to you na ang taong bayan gustong-gusto ko talagang magkaroon ng eleksyon. Kaya na nakakagilian sa Finch at saka sa YouTube channel at saka sa CNS na yung mga nakaupo naman gusto naman makancel, postpone. At tanong ko po dito po sa Liga, along with another question po. Dito po sa Liga ng Barangay, don't you think na since you told us a while ago that they should be stopped from claiming, this is a self-serving enactment by Congress, self-serving na kami pong mga kagawad, mga kapitan na may tinabang dito, that they should also be stopped from filing. Are they really the right party to the cause? Kasi nga self-serving po yan sa mga nakaupo.
Yes, para sa talagang even in the case of the big versus government, I think it's that of the petition, which I cited also by petition. Ito mga barangay officials na ito, they cannot question yung sinasabi ng shortness of term nila. Kasi sabi nga ng Korte Suprema, the fact that they filed the certificate of candidacy, they always spoke about claiming na sila is affected. So ako, I would subscribe also to your point na they are not the real party in interest. Hindi sila proper party to question yung ating yung aming petition. Kasi andyan naman na yung Senate, andyan ay Congress, andyan ang Council of the President, andyan ang Commonwealth. Sila ang dapat sumagot kasi sila ang mag-i-implement, sila ang gumawa ng mga batas. Itong mga barangay ito sa Senado, naghihintay lang sila. They should just wait at hindi yung parang ayun yung pupunta na sa Bodo Suprema sasabihin na affected kami, and that's the reason why we are filing our opposition to the petition of Atty. Makakita. So, ako, if we can, we would be asked by the support of all on the petition of the Liga, that will be our position, that they are not the real party in interest, that they cannot be an intervenor, no? Because they are strong from questioning yung strongest of the term of office which they are claiming na they are only serving for only 2 years.
Yes, thank you very much. Follow-up question.
Pero ako salamat ako nung sinabi nung na marami talaga, yung gusto na ipagpatuloy talaga kanya. I hope the Supreme Court will also realize that and will also be informed that almost majority of our people really want the election to outcome. So, as a matter of fact, was that isip na po dito sa araw, nagdago sila ng survey na yung isang cover nila isang masyo sa ni Wade de la Peiba na ginanong nila ang taong bayan, mga legislators nila, kung gusto nila papatuloy o hindi ang barangay election. Talagang 80% ng kanilang mga listeners, they are for the elections in pursue at gusto na makuloy yung aking alam.
One of the reasons na pilasyon nila yan, Your Honor, is kinakailangan daw synchronizing election. Ako ay nagpatuloy dun sa paninilang nila sa postponement, pinag-usapan, lalo na yung November 2, maguguloy sila na hindi na magkalala yung November 2. Kaya di pa recreation yung schedule na paano naman umaakot ng boto. Yung November 10, kamag-anak ko na.
Saka isa pa, yung sinabi mo na
Pati na yung 4 years sa Comelec, final sa Comelec, sa amin, handa sila, pero November 2, yung ko lang kumanda, yung mga staff nila. Wow, 2 weeks.
kasi nasa probinsya din sila.
But anyway, it's actually like to synchronize the polls. Pero if you compute it, Your Honor, attorneys, sa 2034, the next presidential election, kasabay na naman nila ang national local election and barangay election. Tatlo ulit election na ano mo masasabi nito?
Gusto naman ngayon. Hindi naman ikanophone. Tsaka hindi pwede sabihin ng synchronization. Kasi ang barangay manual election yan. At ang aming national mobile issue talaga na-automated. Kaya ang pwede synchronize yung barangay. At even if automated ang barangay elections, hindi pwede pasabay sa kanya. Kasi napakadami. Dati yan. Hundreds of thousands halos yan. Dahil sa 42,000 barangays yan. Ay 7 positions at stake. Hindi na yan. ano naman natin na ang ang daming kakandidato dyan for every position. Kaya napakadami ng pangalan na ilalagay niya sa balota. Kaya hindi po pwede na magkaroon ng synchronized election in national